Hi guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Alaya AF. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday look, and since it is quite simple, I'm also going to be answering some this or that questions while I do this to make it a little more fun.
Small group of close friends or a big group of not such close friends?
Small group of close friends.
Cat or dog?
Dog.
Ice cream or frozen yogurt?
Ice cream, always.
Regular soda or diet?
Diet actually, I like the taste better.
Beach vacation or mountain vacation?
Beach, always.
Seeing movies in the theatre or at home?
In the theatre.
Pancakes or French toast?
French toast.
Hot coffee or iced?
Hot coffee in the morning, iced coffee rest of the day.
Meat or cheese?
Cheese.
Book version or movie version?
Depends on my mood.
Spring or fall?
Spring.
Saver or spender?
I tried to be a saver, but I'm a spender, but now I'm learning and I'm becoming better and I'm becoming a saver.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, always, but I love green tea throughout the day.
Caffeine or decaf?
Caffeine. I've never understood the point of decaf.
Big parties or small gatherings?
Small gatherings.
City or outskirts?
City. I'm a big city girl.
TV shows or movies?
Depends on my mood.
Read minds or be able to teleport?
Be able to teleport. I don't want to know what everyone's thinking.
Asking questions or answering questions?
Answering questions, always.
Sweet or savory?
I recently developed a big sweet tooth, so sweet. But I like having both at the same time, like sweet and savory, sweet and savory. Yeah.
Introvert or extrovert?
Me? I'm definitely an extrovert. Oh my god. Huh.
Painting or drawing?
Drawing.
Relaxing vacations or action vacations?
A mixture of both is always good.
Money or happiness?
Happiness.
What's the difference?
You can't buy happiness.
Fame or power?
Power.
Dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate. Okay guys, that's about it. This is my look, and this is literally my everyday look. A white shirt, denim shorts, a very simple makeup, small earrings, and my hair just like that. So yeah, that's my everyday look. Bye.